Welcome. In this video I'm going to show you how you can get more details on your photos with the Samsung Galaxy A03. Okay, so first of all we have to open photo mode, then click on the aspect ratio and switch to the 48 megapixel mode. Next you have to remember also about the good lighting condition, so in most cases I can recommend you to turn on the flashlight. Then just simply hold your phone steady, catch focus, and then take photo while holding your phone steady. That's very important. Next you can open this preview and just take a look for the details. As you can see, we can find more details than in the normal photo mode. That's all for this video. Hope you like it. Remember to leave a like, comment and subscribe to our channel.